Hi guys, welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. So today we are going to unbox another power station. In my last video you saw I unboxed Mophie Power Station 3XL. There were a couple of things I didn't like about it. So I thought I'm gonna order a different one with the AC power. So this is the power station AC. That's by Mophie Power Station AC. If you look at this, this is 100 watt AC power. It has AC plug, adapter, and then 15 hours of total videos, and USB-C PD compatible. PD means it is power delivery. So if you have the power station charging and also have your device hooked up, it's gonna first charge your devices. So let's unbox this one and see how it looks like. The box looks simple. It has good cloth, gray carbon fiber type of cloth, and then take this, pull up. That's what the power station look like. Pretty heavy, very heavy. On this side there is a fan. On this side there are two USB. One is USB-C, that is also a charging port, and the USB. Here is this button that tells you what is the power is, how much it is charged. The light tells you that. And on this, if I take this out, this is where you can plug in any regular AC power, AC devices, the adapter that can do. And this is the fan. Once you plug this in, you press this button. This particular button you press, the fan start running. So I used it. It prevents it to get pretty hot. So that's where the fan is useful. I was able to use it with my MacBook Pro. Worked really well. Let's see what else it comes. It says Mophie loves you. You take this out, and then you have a USB to USB-C that you probably could use in the USB-C and have to any USB, or you could have USB-C or USB device and charge any USB-C. And also it has a USB to USB-C to USB cable there. The one complaint I have about the cables are very short in length. It was a little bit problem for me when I was trying to put it onto the wall to charge it, because there's not enough cable length that I could use with the wall adapter to charge it. So I wish Mophie can kind of at least do the 3 feet cable in the future with that. Another thing in the box is just regular your booklet, the instruction guide. It tells you what port you should use for what. It tells you that you have AC, then turn on the fan. For the laptop, what you need to use. So pretty simple, straightforward. But now one thing I would highly recommend to you guys is order a wall charger as well. This is one thing. Another thing what I did not like, if you're spending $200, Mophie, you should please ship it with the wall charger so we can just charge it, because I want to use the one that is compatible with this instead of any off the market. So what I did order Mophie USB wall charger. It's 25 to 30 bucks, I believe, and they're worth it. I wish it would have come just the simple one. The reason it's worth it is it is an international wall charger, so it has the plug, international compatible plugs that you could use. On the back it says international compatibility and 15 watt fast charge. That's why I always like to use the products which are from the same company. Let's open this up. It has simple one wall charger instructions and booklet. You take this out. The reason I was telling you guys why this is worth it for the money. You can see it got the 15 the wall charger, definitely, right? I can take the plastic out, and I've used it in the past. And then you have, this is for Asia or Europe, that I can slide in. I can simply slide in, use this way. This is the USB charging. I can press simple here, this button. I can press and take this out and put this back. This is the one for the US. This is, you all can see internationally, you could use this, or you could also use this different one. Alright, so for the money, I think it's worth it. This is for the US, so I'm going to slide this in, and here I go. This is my wall charger. Now I'm going to put this back in there with the booklet. And one thing I was going to talk to you guys is the cable that came with this. So now if I want to charge this my power bank, I can use not this cable, I can use this USB-C that goes into the power bank, and USB right here. And then see, this is not enough length that I could use. I need to use a different cable, different USB-C to USB cable. So I hope they can fix it in the future. But I use this charger, it's worth it. It charged pretty fast. That's all, you guys, that's all it has. It's not very lightweight that you can just carry with you and in the hand or in your pocket, but this is really good if you're on the conference, you're traveling outdoor. You can put in your backpack, have the wires out. It can give you almost a day worth of charging. That's all for now, guys. Please subscribe to our channel, give us the thumbs up, like this video, and there's a bell icon, ring the bell icon. Thank you, bye bye.